Hello to all the dedicated teachers and creative parents. I hope you're doing great and feeling full of energy to create joyful and unique learning experiences. Today, it's time for the next important step, smart settings that help your games run more smoothly, effectively, and professionally. One of the factors that always makes a presentation more engaging is its color scheme and unique appearance. In this section, you can adjust settings related to the game display, such as background, colors, and more. In the Settings section, you can create as many different display styles as you like to add variety to your presentations. However, if you prefer not to have variety, one setup is sufficient. You only need to configure the settings once and can use them for future presentations. There's no need to recreate them each time. Number. This is automatically filled in. Name. Enter a unique name for the settings. This name will be used throughout the program to display the settings. At least one setting must be defined to run the PowerPoint. Type. Select the background type. This will be shown during the PowerPoint presentation. Options include a solid color or an image. Background color. Enabled if you choose a color as the background, a color must be entered. Background picture. Enabled if an image is selected as the background, an image must be selected. Color item 1, 4, these are used as colors for the spinner. Font name. Choose a font from the font list to use in the game. Font address. Enter the directory path where system fonts are stored. On many systems, this is the C drive. If your system path is different, update it here, otherwise the font selection box won't work properly. Font size. Sets the font size for the presentation. Preferably between 8 and 10. Font color. Defines the font color. Use dark colors on light backgrounds and vice versa. Front color. Used for the spinner frame. The next button, if no icon is selected. And the home button, if no icon is selected. In some games, this is used for the color of the boxes. Example, in the match game, this color is used for the boxes. Back color, used for text containing boxes. If a box in a game contains text, this color is used as the background color of the text. Example, in the match game, if the input data type is text, this color is used as the background for the text. Page color, used for the timer. Name box, if no icon is selected. And score box, if no icon is selected. Correct sound. This sound is played when a correct move is made in the game. Wrong sound. This sound is played when an incorrect move is made in the game. Reward sound, played on when opening a reward box respectively. All three sounds must be saved in WAV format. Open box picture and close box picture, shown when the reward box is open or closed. In this section, you can be very creative. Here, I have used a treasure chest, but you can use things like an egg, a gift box, a human fist, a computer monitor turning on and off, or anything else you like. It all depends on your creativity. Fill answer. In some games, this image is used to fill the boxes. Home icon and next icon, used for their respective elements. If left blank, the front color is used instead. Name icon and score icon, used for their respective elements. If left blank, the page color is used instead. Save. When all the information is completed, pressing this button will save the settings in the settings table. Reset. Clears all text fields so new data can be entered. Clear. Deletes all settings from the settings table. If any games are linked to these settings, they will be deleted along with their PowerPoints. Delete. Activated when a row is selected. Deletes the selected setting and associated games and PowerPoints. Edit. Activated when a row is selected. Modify and save changes. If the name changes, it's updated everywhere. The settings in the color game are similar to the settings of other games, with the difference that there are a few additional color boxes, which are listed below. Wrong color. If a cell is incorrectly selected for coloring, it will be filled with a specific color. This color must be different from all the selected colors. Color item 1. Color item 2. Color item 3. Color item 4. Color item 5. Color item 6. Color item 7. Color item 8. Color item 9. Color item 10. Colors are used in the game for selecting a color. These colors must be selected so that each one is different. If you're interested in collaborating or have any questions, feel free to contact me via email. So if you're looking for creative, engaging, and budget-friendly teaching ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos.